Hey Bagmaker, I'm Sarah Lawson from So Sweetness, and I'm so excited to introduce you to the League of Extraordinary Bagmakers Volume 2. Volume 2 includes 4 new PDF sewing patterns and videos. The PDF patterns include full color step photos. In each instructional video, I make the entire project from start to finish, including cutting out your pattern pieces, attaching the interfacing, and finishing the project all the way up until the very end. The Tadpole Pouch comes in 4 different sizes, and the great thing about this project is once it's finished, you can see all of the items that you're putting on the inside because it features clear vinyl on both the front and the back of the pouch. Let me show you what it looks like in the overhead view. This is size large of the Tadpole Pouch, and as you can see, the front of the pouch has a zipper and storage space for some items, and then the main portion is a much larger compartment. Basically, this is the whole inside of the pouch. So there's 2 zippers on this pouch. There's a handle, and I just think it's great, especially with all the different sizes. Because of the clear vinyl, the front and the back will be wipeable, and the bottom portion is quilted. So you'll be quilting that in the pattern instructions and video as well. The instructional video for the Tadpole Pouch is 1 hour and 15 minutes long. The Pierce Crossbody Backpack is a small sling style backpack. It features 3 different zippered compartments and an adjustable strap. This backpack features an adjustable strap, and there's a D-ring on either side, so if you'd like to attach the swivel clip to a different side, you can. There's 1 vertical zipper pocket on the back of the backpack, which is really handy for things you really want to keep safe because these items in this pocket will be against your body. And then there's also a front zipper pocket. And this is what it looks like in the main compartment. The video for the Pierce Crossbody Backpack is 1 hour and 29 minutes long. This is a personal ensign bag, and it's a slim crossbody bag, and it features tons of pockets on the outside as well as the inside. Let me show you the back of the bag first. So this is a crossbody bag with an adjustable strap, and on the back of the bag is a large pocket that secures with a magnetic snap. The front of the bag has 2 additional pockets, and they're both fully lined. Then the inside of this particular bag is the feature that I'm most proud of, just because of all the pockets on the inside. So there's 1 large pocket on the right-hand side. There's a small pocket for a pen. There's credit card slots, and there's, in fact, some down there as well. And then there's a big pocket behind the credit card slots. This is a really fun bag to make. I think you'll really enjoy all the different styles of pockets contained in this pattern. And the video for the personal ensign bag is 2 hours and 36 minutes long. The fun thing about the Tadpole Pouch is there's a zipper on one side and there's a second zipper on the other side. I originally envisioned this to be a pouch for storing a rotary cutter in one zipper and scissors in the second, but of course you could put anything that you'd like into this pouch. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. And then there's a zipper pocket in one of the sections, so it's great for rotary cutter in one and scissors in the second. And there's actually a bonus instruction in this particular pattern for a scissor sheath just to keep your scissors protected, and everything fits neatly inside. The video for the Tadpole Pouch is 55 minutes long. Click the link in the description to get your 4 new patterns and videos now.